In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Synchrony Bank mobile app through a straightforward, step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're eager to manage your finances on the go or simply want to have easier access to your Synchrony Bank account, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the browser on your mobile device and head over to the Synchrony Bank website. Type in the URL www.synchrony.com/banking/mobile app. This is a starting point for accessing the app because it provides you with direct links to download from either the App Store or Google Play, depending on whether you're using an Apple or Android device. Make sure you're using your mobile device for these steps so you can directly download the app to your phone. Once you're on the home page, you should see highlighted sections or buttons that indicate where to download the app. This page is designed to make it as simple as possible for you. So, if you're using an Apple device, look for the App Store link. Alternatively, if you're on Android, you'll want to click the Google Play link. Each link will redirect you to the respective App Store where you can install the app just like you would any other mobile application. When you've reached the App Store page for the Synchrony Bank mobile app, you'll see the install button. Simply tap on it. Before proceeding, make sure your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network if you want to avoid using mobile data. After tapping install, give it a few moments to download and set up on your device. The app size can vary depending on updates, so just ensure you have enough space on your phone for a seamless installation process. I should mention that though you're seeing these steps being demonstrated on a computer screen, it's critical to perform this installation directly from your phone. This is because only through mobile access can you install the app onto your device. This video is intended to guide you visually, so ensure you follow along on your phone for the best experience. After the app has been successfully installed, open it up directly from your home screen. You might be prompted to log in with your existing Synchrony bank account details, or you can explore the app's interface if you're new to Synchrony. From here, you can begin to manage your accounts, check balances, make payments, and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking at your fingertips. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to download the Synchrony Bank mobile app so that you can bank from anywhere, anytime. Thanks for tuning in to this installation guide. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials that make your digital life a breeze. Until next time, happy banking!